welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. So it's Tuesday and I was going to be teaching at home this morning, but unfortunately my student got sick. She canceled lessons, so it's good because I really want to go to the Dollar Tree. I've been to the Dollar Tree once in my life before, and the reason I want to go today is because I was gonna go tomorrow, but the reason I'm going today is because I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos of how to do decorations and how to kind of, you know, make your house pretty for Christmas, and lots of items that were included in those, you know, fancy kind of bows and wreaths and whatever you call it were from Dollar Tree. So that's where I'm going. I know there is one Dollar Tree next to TJ Maxx, so we'll see. Maybe I have some luck. I got a lot of ribbons yesterday, you guys, at the Hobby Lobby. They were like 50% off, and they're beautiful, but still it was quite pricey, you know, maybe and I got a bunch of other stuff as well. I spent way too much money. I'm gonna show you later on what I've got, but I still want to see what the Dollar Tree will have, so hopefully I'm gonna have some luck in there. And yesterday evening I was supposed to get my Amazon Prime order. Nothing came, you guys. I wasn't home, you know, pretty much all day, but my husband was most of the day yesterday at home, and he said like nothing came. It says out for delivery, none of the Amazon, you know, 2-day shipping Prime, nothing came. Ridiculous. I'm just so disappointed because I ordered, you guys, this a tool that it's supposed to help you make bows, like fancy ribbon bows things, and I just got so hooked on this thing. Yeah, that is my goal. That's why I got so many ribbons yesterday. But yeah, I'm kind of feeling like doing it. So that's the first thing. Now the second thing, you guys, I am not sure if the next couple of vlogs I will be able to post it every day. Probably not, and I'll tell you why. And I have a legit excuse, because for the next 6 days, Tuesday, which is tonight, yeah, so even this vlog might be coming late, you guys. Tuesday through Sunday I am playing Nutcracker, and on Saturday we're gonna have 2 performances, afternoon and evening. So, you know, for me December is extremely, you know, busy. So and I don't really finish rehearsals until 10 p.m. Most likely evening performances will end closer to 10:30 p.m. There's just no way I can edit the video, you guys, so please bear with me. I will try to do my best. I'll probably have to, like I said, combine a couple of days into one vlog, so hopefully you're gonna like it. So you guys, the Dollar Tree was an absolute disaster. Now I basically know why I never go there. It was just bad. So I end up going again to Hobby Lobby. This time I went to a different Hobby Lobby, and I found the things that I was looking for. So I was mainly after this deco mesh kind of ribbon thing, and yeah, I found it because yesterday at the Hobby Lobby I went to, they didn't have any, and all the Christmas stuff is like 50% off. So if you need some Christmas ideas, and they have beautiful packaging, you guys, so that was awesome. I was able to get a lot of items there, and yeah, now I'm gonna get crafty, you guys. So I'm very pleased with my purchase, and I need to still run to Walmart. So you guys, I'm officially overloaded. Look at here. These I got at the Walmart. These are really beautiful. Go show in here so you can maybe see it better. So this is like a mesh with like a little, like a kind of snow. This was $4.74 at Walmart, and these are, you know, pretty big, so I got like a bunch of those. How cute is this one, you guys? This is so cute. And this one was $7.98 at Walmart. Love it. And look at this, all of these from Hobby Lobby. One big, I'm gonna decorate this actually. So I got this. I'm in my car, by the way, in the garage. Look how cute are these, you guys. So these were all like 50% off. Look how cute. Isn't that nice? Yeah, they're all like silver, sparkling. So I love it. What else? Oh, and there's a bunch of ribbon, you guys. And there's more ribbon in here. Yeah, over down. And there's a bunch of wrapping, like bags and, you know, all that stuff. So, yeah, there is a lot of stuff, you guys. I got this beautiful poinsettia. I love it. I buy this ginormous one every year. And I don't know where should I put it. Probably up front, as usual. I like it so much. So cute. That's officially... so I officially began the Christmas season. So you guys, this just happened. I mean, technically it didn't just happen because I bought those things yeah, like a week ago or something like that, and it was shipped to me, you guys. So I'm not gonna show you, I'm teasing you right now, but I pretty much got 2 items, and I think I'm gonna have a sneak peek because I haven't seen those items in person. So I think I'm just gonna take a peek, and this this will just need a special unboxing, you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. So you guys, oh my god, like I have to open this. I want to do the like a real unboxing. These are actually you guys, these are my Christmas gifts from, I'm gonna be honest, these are from myself to myself. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. I also got my Amazon package. Look at those ribbons, you guys. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, I love it so much. This is so pretty. So I got 2 of this kind of silver. Those are like a silver sparkly with the gold. I got 2 of these, and I got 2 of the red kind of theme. Oh my god, they are so pretty, you guys. And I got my bow maker. Oh my goodness, I'm like so happy. So yeah, I'm gonna get busy. So you guys, I'm gonna finish the vlog here. I'm sorry if it was not too interesting today, but I just was running errands around the town in the morning, and mid-afternoon I had to do some groceries at the Walmart and all of that stuff, so I didn't even record because it wouldn't be interesting. But I wanted to tease you a little bit with those Chanel packagings. I'm sorry. And I'm so excited because, like I said, those are the Christmas gifts from myself to myself. And yeah, I'll probably try to do like a legit video unboxing with those items, so you guys can see what I've picked out. And also bear with me for the next couple of days. I will have to combine a couple of vlogs together. It's because of the Nutcracker season. I finish work very late at night, and I just won't be able to upload them, you know, on the everyday basis. So yeah, just bear with me, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.